Here we will see protected access modifier in Python. Protected members are accessible within the class and also available to its subclasses. To define a protected member, prefix the member name along with the single underscore. For example, underscore salary, which makes the salary as a protected variable that can be accessed only by the child class. Here we have defined the class company, in which constructor is defined with protected member as self._project equal to Python. Then we have defined another class employee which will inherit the class company, and here we have defined the constructor with variable name which is defined as a public. So self.name equal to name, and here we have inherited the constructor for class company. Then we have defined a method which will print employee name and working on project which will call the self._project variable from the class company. Then we will create object of class employee which will call the method from that class. We can directly access the protected member by using object of the class ._project. When we execute this, it will give the output employee name, working on project, and again project Python. Now we will execute this code. For this we will open the IDE and we will open the new file. In comment line we will write program description. First we will define class company, and here we will define constructor, and we will define protected variable as self._project equal to Python. Then we will define another class employee which will inherit class company. Here we will define constructor with one variable name. Then we will define self.name equal to name. Then we will write method display which will display name and project name for the employee. So print self.name and print working on project self._project. Then we will create object. Inside the constructor we will call the constructor for the company class company._init_self, and then we will create object for the class employee. So E equal to employee, and we will pass name of the employee as XYZ. Then we will call the method display from that class. Then we will save this and we will execute this. It will print name and working on project. We can directly access the protected variable using the object. So I will write here print project equal to e._project. Then we will execute this again. It will print name, working on project, and again it will print project.